Hello, hello. How are you this evening? Has it been raining like crazy where you are, just like it has been for me? I got up this morning and it was raining. It was raining when I went to bed last night. It was raining this morning. I drove to Memphis. It rained all the way. It rained the whole time I was there, in and out of IKEA, still raining, and it rained 3/4 of the way back. Not terrible rain, but I saw a couple of 18-wheelers turned over, wrecks, all sorts of stuff. Thankfully, I was not part of it. I saw 2 funeral processions, and I felt so bad for those people because that is the worst, to have to get out in sloppy cold weather for it. I mean, dealing with the funeral is not the most fun thing in the world, and then having to get out and do all that in the sloppy cold rain is terrible. But it's life, right? Or the circle of life. Okay, so here's the thing. I'm not talking Lime Life tonight. I'm talking about Home Chef. So I have done Blue Apron before and HelloFresh, and they were just too much food. It was just too much food. And this may be as well, but I had a coupon to try it out for quite a deal, like $35 off of the first order and $15 off the second order. So I'll try it. And you get free shipping if you spend enough. I'm probably not going to spend enough to get free shipping, but I don't think the shipping was too bad. But let's see what I've got in my first kit from them. It arrived today while I was running around in the rain. So tell me what food subscriptions you've done. And did you like them? What did you like? What did you not like? All right. I've already opened the box. All right. What is this? Well, I see cheese, jalapeno pepper, a zucchini, corn, light cream cheese. Looks like maybe, crispy onions. Part of those look pulverized. So that sounds yummy. Something to go with it. And then this has tortillas. Looks like I chose 2 things that might be Mexican. It has the name of what it is on here. Should have realized that. Jalapeno popper chicken with corn and zucchini. Okay. And this one is pork enchiladas with, now I don't know how to say this kind of cheese. Oaxacan? Oaxacan? I have no idea. Looks like peppers, onions. I don't know what that is. Tortillas. A pan to cook it in. So I guess I just have to assemble that. I thought there might, here we go. I'm getting to a label. Red enchilada sauce. Imagine that. Okay, so that's not bad. 2 meals. And down further in the box, we have meat. 2 chicken breast fillets and 12 ounces of ground pork. So, now I've got to cook. That's the whole thing, is that you do this in an ice pack. So you do this, and then you've got to cook. Now let's see what else is in this box. Let me put all this back. Keep it cold while I finish talking to you. I'm going to make this quick. There we go. Okay. It even comes with a little notebook. It says Home Chef Recipes. Now, I like that because when I tried Blue Apron, there were some recipes that I liked, but I thought I can do this on my own. So I kept the recipes, but what am I going to do with them? Well, Home Chef gives you a little binder to put them in. So it's got a little welcome and information. I don't see any instructions. Why would I need a notebook if I don't have recipes? I mean, this is kind of weird. So a friend just signed up for the food box where you get like imperfect stuff, and her box went astray or was delayed in being delivered. And the ice pack melted, and so she had a soupy mess. Some of her stuff was salvageable, some of it was not. Y'all, I have no instructions. I'm gonna dig a little deeper. Maybe I didn't go far enough. I mean, maybe I missed something that said you're supposed to download the rest. No, here they are. Here they are. I found them. I found them. Thank goodness. Okay, so is my recipe gonna turn out looking like that? I hate to stink up the apartment by doing that pan frying. It better be pan frying, because I don't fry. Yes, that's all. But it stinks up the apartment. I'll have to open the door. And then, ooh, these look yummy. So I think really all I have to do is assemble that. No, I have to cook the pork and then assemble it, and then it's ready. So, we'll see. I'll report back. But I want to know, have y'all tried any food boxes, meal services, and did you like it? Did you keep it up? Do you keep it going? Do you do it every week, every other week? You know, they're a lot more manageable now than I think when Blue Apron first came out. So, I might try them all and see which one I like best until I run out of discounts, and then I'll choose. So, okay, let me know what you think. Day 28 of 100 Days of Lives. This time it was not Lime Life. And I will be back again tomorrow. Maybe having cooked one of these, and I can tell you how it turned out, or maybe even show you. Good night.